everyone, I'm Yshia Bondoc from 3C, and today I'm going to show you how to make edible soil layers. Before that, let me remind you what are the layers of soil. We are going to start from bottom to top. So the layers of soil are bedrock, parent material, subsoil, topsoil and organic layer. So let's start my DIY edible soil. First, we're going to start with the crushed Oreo.
That's
the bedrock. After the crushed Oreo, I'm going to use for the parent material marshmallows. Oops. Next is the subsoil. I'm going to use cereal. The next is the topsoil. I'm going to pour M&Ms for it. Last but not least, for the organic layer, I'm going to use mint leaves for it. So that's my version of edible soil layers. Thank you, and I hope you learned something from me today. Again, I'm Yshia Bondoc from BC. Bye!